The next thing I want to show you is the collection pages, and this is how to set up a collection page. So on the left hand side where it says products, click on that, and then write 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fourth one below that is going to be collections. Go ahead and click on your collections page. Click on create collection. So this is going to be the collection page. This is where you're going to be able to create a new collection, add content, and be able to change the type of the tags of what people are going to be typing in for it to be in this collection. So let's start off the top, and this is title. So make sure you put in very specifically what this collection is. And a lot of people make this mistake and they put the word collection at the end of the collection. Do not do that. Just put whatever the description is of that specific collection minus the word collection. The next one is going to be description. It says optional here, but for SEO it's very important that you do have a description. Put some content in there. Make sure it's not too much because it's going to be overbearing for the customer who's on the website. You can make it as fancy as you want. There's the little toolbox right here to make it bold, make it different headings. So treat this as a content page, but don't make it too much. Below is the collection type. So this is where you're going to be sorting and organizing your collection. So you can do it manual, where you're manually adding the products to the collection one by one, or you can do it automatically. And the way you do this is by setting up conditions. So you can set up conditions where if the product title has a specific word in there, you can have it added to this collection. If the product doesn't have a specific word in there, it can be added to the collection. You can even do it where the whole product has to have that specific word or phrase in it for it to be in your collection. And you can do this through product title, product type, vendor, price, product tag, compare at price, weight, variance title, inventory stock. You can get pretty intricate with this. Usually what I'll do is I'll make a product tag, and this just makes it easier. So whenever it has this specific product tag, you'll add it to this collection, or if it's something that's in the product title, it will automatically just add it to the collection. Right below that is the SEO for the collection page. You want to make sure you have a very good page title and a description, meta description for the collection. And then below that is where the slug is going to be, which is the end of the specific page. After the last slash. So whenever a website has a url.com slash word and another slash, and then it's followed by a last few strings of words, that's the URL slug. And for the collection page, you can definitely change it up to whatever you want, but as soon as you put the title in, it's automatically going to format it to that. However, you can definitely edit it to what you want. For SEO purposes, it's best where the title and the URL are very close to each other. Collection availability, so you can make sure that this is in the online store or any other sales channels that you have. And then the collection image, you can add it here. And what that's going to do is if you have a mega menu, that will show a picture of it if it's permitted in the theme.